Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tag Botany. If you are new on this channel then please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon to get more and more videos from this channel. Friends, today's topic is family convolvulaceae part 2. We know that family convolvulaceae is also known as morning glory family. So these are the learning objectives of today's topic. We will study floral formula, floral diagram, key characters and economic importance of the family. So this is the general floral formula of family Convolvulaceae: bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, bisexual, K5 means sepals are 5 and polysepalous, C in bracket 5 that means petals are 5 and gamopetalous, A5 and epipetalous. This arc denotes the epipetalous condition. G in bracket 2 that means ovary is bicarpellary syncarpus and underline means ovary is superior. This is the floral diagram of Convolvulus pluricolis. So under which floral formula is also written. So this flower is bracteate. So the bract is shown here. It is also bracteolate. There are two bracteoles, this one and this one. Then the sepals are 5 polysepalous. So these sepals are 5 and they are polysepalous with quincuncial type of estivation. Then the petals are 5 and gamopetalous. Union is shown here with induplicate valvate estivation. Then the stamens are 5 and epipetalous. Stamens are attached to the petals. Then the ovary is bicarpellary, superior and syncarpus with exile type of placentation. Then we will study key characters which are also called as diagnostic characters, distinguishing characters of the family. These characters are very few in number, that is 4 to 5 characters, but they are diagnostic or unique to this family. Usually climbing or twining vines or climbers with milky sap. Leaves alternate phalloctaxy, exstipulate without stipules. Flowers axillary, arising in the axil and pentamerous. Corolla forms are tubular, infundibuliform, that is funnel shaped, or salver form, salver like. Stamens epipetalous and stamens are 5 and gynoecium is bicarpellary. So the combination of these 5 characters can distinguish this family from other families. Then economic importance, there are various categories like ornamental plants are there, sources of food and medicinal plants. Start with ornamental plants. So these plants are planted in the gardens and on the edge of the house. Argyria speciosa, commonly called as elephant creeper. Then Calonyctium aculeatum, commonly known as moonflower, and Ipomia caerica, that is railway creeper. So we have seen these flowers around parks and around the edge of the house. Ipomia coccinea, star Ipomia, because of the star shaped corolla. Ipomia quamoclite, cyperus vine. Then Porana paniculata, this is having panicle type of inflorescence, commonly known as Christmas vine. Then sources of food. So Ipomia batatas, commonly called as sweet potato or shakkarkandi in Hindi, of which fleshy roots are eaten because of their rich content of sugar and starch. They are also used for the production of industrial alcohol, pectin, starch and sugar syrup. So this is the plant of Ipomia batatas and these are the tuberous roots of this plant. Then second plant sources of food, that is Ipomia aquatica, commonly known as Narika sag, of which leaves and young shoots are used as vegetable. Leaves and young shoots are eaten as preparing vegetable. Calonyctium muricatum, of which floral pedicels are eaten. Calistegia sapium, of which roots are cooked and eaten. Revia hypocrateriformis, young shoots and leaves are used as a vegetable. Then medicinal plants. First one, Evolvulus alsinoides. It is used as a bitter tonic. It is a creeper, having creeper type of habit. Exogonium purga, which yields a drug jalap, that is used as a purgative. Purgative means strong laxative. Ipomia violacea, seeds contain sergic acid amide and they are hallucinogenic. So seeds are having hallucinogenic effect. Plants used as sand binders from this family are Ipomia biloba, Ipomia fistulosa and Ipomia pescapri. And the plants which have become troublesome weeds from this family are Ipomia arvensis and Cuscuta species. Hope you have understood. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.